Storm Team forecast.
All right, so you guys can expect another milder night with temperatures only dropping to those 70 degrees, 71 for most of the area, the valley, with mostly clear skies, 71 for Weslaco and 70 for the city of Harlingen. So fairly comfortable temperatures tonight and into the early morning hours. Now the winds are going to continue out of the southeast mostly for the next 48 hours, I should say, between 10, 13, and even 20 miles per hour by Wednesday, especially for portions along the shoreline. But those winds will continue out of the southeast, and that means that we're going to see another day with temperatures mostly on those mid 90s, especially for areas across portions of the upper valley. 94 for La Joya, 93 for McAllen, and 95 for Rio Grande City. And this is because of those warm winds coming out of the southeast. But we also have a lot of dry air for portions of the southern part of Texas, especially here in the valley. That brownish color represents that dry air, and the reason why we have this very warm condition still before changes start to head our way on Thursday. And those changes will be associated to this cold front that was going to be getting closer to the area, not close enough to actually bring a lot of rain, but it will bring an increase in cloud cover and a few chances of rain, especially for the island and for parts of Brownsville and the southern portions of the valley. Not a whole lot of rain, but yes, it will increase some of those chances of rain. And speaking of chances of rain, don't get too excited, because in the span of 5 days, 4 to 5 days, this is what we're going to see in terms of future rain totals. Not even an inch of rain. The areas that are going to see most of those rain showers are going to be portions of the shoreline, the island, less than an inch. And again, so it's not a whole lot, considering this is a 5-day forecast. It could be less, it could be a little bit more, and not everybody is going to see these showers. Mostly raindrops, I would say, across the valley. And speaking of rain chances, you've heard me many times, and a lot of people out there talk about rain chances, precipitation, and even chances of thunderstorms. But what do these actually mean or represent? Well, when we talk about rain chances, we're talking about probability. This includes measurable rain in a specific area of a forecast. We'll also analyze the atmosphere for favorable conditions that can produce rain, and that famous percent, in this case 30%, represents the confidence of that forecast in terms of rain possibilities across an entire area, in this case our Rio Grande Valley region. And that is the science behind the rain chances concept. And precisely looking at that 7-day forecast, check these temperatures out. 91 for Wednesday on average, but then on Thursday, as we head into the weekend, we're going to start to see an increase in those temperatures, and not temperatures, I meant to say those rain chances to about 30% on the weekend on Saturday, with temperatures dropping down to those 87 and 86 degrees by Sunday, because we're going to have a cold front getting closer to the valley. And that is a look at your 7